pressure and Paykel washing machine has just had new bearings and a new seal, and now it will not spin. If you push the spin button, I'll show you what happens. What happens is the rotor position sensor needs to sense the bowl turning at least half a revolution in each direction before it will start spinning. What we need to do is give it a helping hand. Spin the inside bowl and the other way, and then it should do this and then start, and then you have to shut the lid. What happens is the seal is too tight on the shaft, and it just needs to have a few washes like that, and it should become okay.